Hey there, welcome to our YouTube channel. Step 1. Clean your brows. Eliminate oil, makeup, and dirt from your eyebrows. Step 2. Apply a lifting perm solution. Gently brush the hairs upward in a sweeping motion. Step 3. Cover your brows with plastic wrap. Leave them in for about 5 to 8 minutes. Step 4. Remove the solution. Gently, use a cotton swab or a brows brush to remove any excess product. Step 5. Apply a fixing, neutralizing solution. Brush your brows in the desired direction for added shape and volume. Step 6. Cover your brows again. Leave them in for another 5 to 8 minutes. Step 7. Map and shape your brows. Use a brow mapping tool to create precise, even lines or shape your existing hairs. Wow, beautiful. Look in the mirror and marvel at the transformation of your brows.